Just come on here, just come on and say, look over here, I'm going to send you in a little request.
And they're going to put on themselves. RT boss over here, pull it there. I'm going to tell them about. Should I do this that way? I'm at the RT after life go. You have to do
what kind of way? Me like how you say any age you take on.
Yeah, that's a reach. That's a reach for actor.
Yeah, any age. It looks like you're pushing on us. Yeah?
I'm alive, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, that me for tell you. Dirty people, them. All the who we attack, don't mind them. Oh? Man, I ask. No, man, it's too, no, you're not, you're bigger than that, Queenie. You must have man. You think tougher than that.
They must have paid me for it. So when they must come back, I have to pay for blood.
Oh, so you have to different thing that man, but
yes, I like that. You're not going to get in a relationship, but you're going to feel somebody and fancy that.
Come on! That's true, that's true.
All them there, everybody, them buy me shoes and handbag and
cute and girly, I like.
So that means
well, Queenie, come like the Sagittarius, they will attract you to broke, man.
Yeah, I am, you know, I am.
I said, God, I never get a rich. I need a rich nigga now. Attract you to the devil and know what the blood clot is. Them ever have no money.
So when they diss me, the cat said, I'm going to treat myself and go to Dubai, go take a holiday. For that.
Yeah, but Queenie, you work by the age for that now, Queenie, now. Let me get my little input. Since you are rich,
that's what line. It don't matter about age.
But Queenie,
I want to
Queenie, 40 and 50 is a proper man to what you say.
You must say
40 and 50 for you, darling.
Okay.
40 and 50 can't go wrong.
Should I take your advice then?
40 and 50, yes.
RT, and every time the 40 and 50-year-old man, they make sense. Some of them worse than the young girl.
Well, she not just take 1, 2, and then...
Yeah, but
my husband gets out.
Yeah. Right now...
A 40 and 50-year-old man are going to be a wicked challenge with me. So.
When I ask... Where them give on you, where I'm going you themselves?
One of them lions, you know, like conniving.
I true, do.
Forgot to say, Queenie, when it's cheese,
You know, I tell Queenie said they were not teenager.
You know what? Teenager.
Once them past 21, let them down.
I don't believe you.
No, 30 I'm age bracket, 33 and up.
No, Queenie. Not 33.
Same age, 33 up.
No, Queen.
I'm RT.
Why I can have that age? I'm like, can't pick a much.
You done girly.
I'm not like, why can't you have that?
You take somebody and I'm 38 and 39.
I know old man.
But geez.
Tell us, I don't have the time for do the tracing with girl. My black guy, hey girl, where should you
want to do?
December, I drop the EP with 6 songs. And then I take it from there, so I have not that plan. I just know I have to hear music.
But the music come back to the listening topic, so I guess we're not change it with the topic again.
What are you saying?
Because if you're going to do the music, you have to listen to the producer and you have to...
RT boss, I reach far when I read between myself, RT. Stop dictate to me, my dad.
No, I'm for a reason.
RT, I'm away, I feel like them can't humiliate me. I don't want to deal with them.
No, but listen what I'm saying.
I stay by myself, I don't listen to RT as someone
if you're saying you're going to...
violate me.
Never violate you?
No, I say, if a producer come and violate me, I don't want to do nothing with them. I don't care what you want, I don't listen.
All right, but...
For my athlete, I don't want to do nothing with them.
Yeah, but it's not going... But listen, that behavior is not going to work. I eat me there from morning and say...
it work. I put my work in myself, sir.
You're going to feel that.
And somebody put my spam there. I mean, put myself on my behavior, everything with RT.
So if you're not going to listen to the producer and the manager and deliver how he wants it and when he wants it...
You know why you come tell me about
this girl that has no fear, look at that. Look at that. No filter.
My experience and my experience. If you can't stand by me, I can't accept the who is. Let RT talk to that girl, me a queen.
Now, if you owe me, I get nobody right food, no, not show them yet. Well, watch it for art video there.
But them fresh and what them. But Archie, you might not represent it, but I'm here.
When do we conquer you? And do we conquer you by say you want to marry you? In conquer you. And you feel good the queen marriage. Alright, no.
The queen want the dance style. And the queen want the music. So the queen have to go back up in her element again, the queen element, and say, oh, all right, the queen have to listen.
Yes, they want to listen.
The queen have to take talk. The queen cannot make a decision on her own. She has to get approval from her cabinet. So she has to listen. And then she just make the decision, not by herself. What cabinet are you telling me to listen? What are you talking about?
All right. I'm trying to say, Queenie, you listen to the producer, the manager.
The producer you talk about, RT. Yeah, I'm a producer. Leave me alone and a plan for you, brother. Leave me alone.
Whoever you deal with, you have to listen.
RT, I don't want to hear RT. Suppose me not get another producer. Leave me alone, RT. I'm one producer. Queenie. You're 2 and 9, leave me alone, RT. Promoter, you still at them? Yes, yeah.
So you experienced that? You run from it?
No, I'm not experienced. That me I tell you, say, when you tell me listen, I will not tell me listen when I see it.
Like, if the man want the song that way, he'll tell you how to do the song and tell you how to sing the song and how to
I'm not going to sing the song the way how they want me to sing.
Yeah, so right now you allow them to monitor your career.
And if them come out and say, Queenie, Archie, when me I sing double tap in my kitchen, I might buy scary to the world, madam. I'm me being myself. I believe in myself. I don't believe in no man who me not speak. I don't make no plans for Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest update. Producer. I'm myself, I make plans for. I see if you can't comply with me when I work with you. Well, it not gonna work, brother. All right, what's this next one now? People want to tell me to sing things that they don't want to sing. I am not gonna sing it.
You can't sound out the all.
Listen.
What is the Queenie?
Your career is in your hand.
And you are holding on your career. So if you really want that career, you have to listen. And that's all I have to say to you. Because you would like to see the career prosper.
You just like to get advice. Listen to who, Mr. Ask you.
Listen to who? All right, listen now.
Yeah. Whoever you used to work before, me hear the whole scandal, me get you understand, say, oh, I listen. And previous before, I listen. Remember the little tough head man where in England, where we and him work the song together. I even should do with the things say, him not pay me no man. Him not pay me no man.
Yeah, but when I say to you, the next time them people are coming in your life, all you do is work with them. Like, for example, you link Ramesh and say, Ramesh, me want you help me do a song, you can do something for me. And you do it. And anything Ramesh say, you just follow. And just know, say, you follow every word when you say.
But could you come tell me now, yes, girl? I'm to you, RT, leave me alone. I'm not going to follow everything, RT. Because man think different from woman, darling. That's it one. And as a queen, somebody put a proposal to you, you have to careful and chat and counteract back that, darling.
Okay? You look good, man.
If me as a queen, can counteract things and come to some agreements and me going to be yes, girl. What kind of queen is the RT? What you tell me, sir? Randy, where my name? You remember I can't call him my name.
Ramesh Entertainment Center.
Yeah, him can't take me up and tell me, sir, me sing, sir, me buy to under.
You never know don't play with Sagittarius. You're the worst thing for the car.
That's some
Queen. How that Queen listen?
Spice don't listen to no. Just Spice in our own category. I said, just Spice on a yes, girl. Spice don't even like Spice don't even like Spice just appreciate it because it's fun. After Spice, girl, you know that girl they go to home to sit down and take that from Spice now take shot from she appreciate her facts. Like me.
But what about the producer, the team? Our team. She have a team when she work with, you know, and she have to listen to the team.
Oh, she under management and team. Me under another team.
But because she listen, that's why she did it.
Do not listen to you, man. Trust me, Queenie, I have to listen at some point. Anybody have manager, you have to take telling.
But we have no management, so which management we have to take telling?
No, I just said anyone that is managing you.